Hello everyone, welcome back to my Deepika Learning YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to explain about the Oracle Free Certification 2025 program. If you are a student, IT professionals or anyone looking to improve your skills and career opportunities, then this video is going to be very useful for you. I will explain what this free certification is, who can apply, how to register step by step, what exams are included and why it is important. So make sure you watch this video till the end. What is Oracle Free Certification? Oracle is one of the leading companies in cloud, database and IT technologies. Every year they launch free learning and certification programs to help students and professionals upgrade their skill. For 2025, Oracle is offering free training and free certifications exam for selected courses. This means you don't have to pay any fees. By completing this, you will get an official Oracle certificate, which is recognized by companies worldwide. Now let's see why it is important. Oracle certification improve your resume and LinkedIn profile. It helps you get job opportunities in IT, cloud, and database related field. You gain hands-on knowledge in trending technologies. Since it's free in 2025, you are saving a lot of money. So if you are serious about your career, then this is a golden opportunity. Then the question is, who can apply? This program is available for all the students, freshers, IT professionals, anyone interested in Oracle Cloud Database or Java. There is no restrictions on age or background. Even if you are from non-technical field, you can still join and learn. So your question is, which certifications are free? In 2025, Oracle is offering free certifications in areas like Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, Oracle Autonomous Database, Java Programming, Cloud, AI and Machine Learning on Oracle Cloud, Oracle Foundation certificates. These may vary depending on Oracle official announcement, so always check the official websites for the updated list. And the next biggest question is how to register. I will explain it step by step. Search in Google mylearnoracle.com and click on this first one. Just click on the join the race now. Then click on this join the race. Then you have to create an account. You will get the interface like this. You can choose any courses, which I have already enrolled at one of the courses. So this is certification courses, this is normal courses. This is certification course and this is a normal course. And you can enroll for many of them, database, Java, hardware and still more are there. So you can click any one of them and choose your certification. So only certification courses will come here and you can select and enroll. So after selecting the courses, just click on it. So when you open, the interface will be like this. Just scroll down. So the courses will be like this. You have to complete the modules what they have given. Take the practice test for each modules. And after complete the module, there are 3 exams which you need to pass every exam. It's online exam. So I will give you the tips to pass the exam. To pass the Oracle certification exam successfully, complete the training materials carefully, take practice test available online, revise important concepts and keywords, attempt the exam with confidence. Remember, there is no negative marking. So friends, that's all about Oracle Free Certification 2025. This is an amazing opportunity for students and professionals and you should definitely not miss it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my Deepika Learning YouTube channel for more educational and career related videos. Also, comment below if you want me to make a step-by-step demo video on registrations and exam preparations.